Apple's upcoming M5 iPad Pro 2025 isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete redefinition of what a tablet can be. We're talking next-gen power, AI intelligence, and a display so advanced, it might just make your laptop jealous. And today's video, we'll break down everything, from the M5 chip's mind-blowing benchmarks and tandem OLED display, to the Apple Pencil 3, iPadOS 19 overhaul. And of course, the release date and pricing leaks that everyone's talking about. So, if you've ever wondered whether the iPad can truly replace your MacBook, this might finally be the year it happens. Let's jump right into Apple's most revolutionary iPad yet, the M5 iPad Pro 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The tablet world is about to experience a major revolution once again, and this time, it's coming straight from Apple's labs. The upcoming M5 iPad Pro 2025 is already generating massive excitement across the tech community, and leaks suggest that it could be Apple's most advanced and versatile iPad ever made. With an all-new M5 chip, next-generation display technology, enhanced AI integration, and a redesigned form factor, the M5 iPad Pro looks ready to redefine what we think a tablet can do. For years, Apple has positioned the iPad Pro as the ultimate creative and productivity device, blurring the line between laptop and tablet. But this year, that line may disappear completely. In this video, we'll explore every major detail surrounding the iPad Pro M5 2025, including its design, specs, features, release date, price, and the 5 game-changing upgrades that could make it the most powerful iPad in history. Let's begin with what powers this beast, the Apple M5 chip. Early reports suggest that the M5 chip is built on a new 3-nanometer process, improving both power efficiency and raw performance. Compared to the M4, the M5 promises up to 35% better CPU performance and as much as 40% faster GPU rendering. Apple's focus for this generation seems to be on AI performance, with the neural engine receiving one of the biggest boosts yet. The M5 will reportedly feature an upgraded neural processing unit, NPU, that's capable of handling real-time AI tasks directly on device, from generative art and image editing to advanced text and speech recognition. What this means for users is simple. The M5 iPad Pro won't just be faster, it'll be smarter. Expect AI-driven features baked deep into iPadOS 19, enabling new workflows like voice-based editing, context-aware multitasking, and intelligent photo enhancements, all running natively without relying on cloud processing. When it comes to design, Apple is rumored to take another bold step forward. The M5 iPad Pro will reportedly feature a new ultra-slim chassis, made from a lightweight titanium aluminum alloy that reduces weight by nearly 15% compared to the M4 model. The bezels are also expected to shrink further, resulting in a near edge-to-edge display. According to leaked schematics, Apple has managed to trim down the bezels to under 4 mm while still housing a front-facing true-depth camera with Face ID, now repositioned along the horizontal edge, a small but impactful change that improves video calls when using the iPad in landscape mode. The back of the device might also see a new camera island, similar to the iPhone 16 style, featuring a dual-lens setup with improved low-light performance and cinematic video stabilization. This design refinement signals Apple's intention to make the iPad Pro not just a productivity tool but also a creative powerhouse for filmmakers and photographers.